In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively create a custom job application form using Wix. We'll go step by step to ensure your website's form captures all the information you need in a sleek and professional manner. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your Wix editor or Wix Studio in Google Chrome. This environment is user-friendly and provides a smooth interface to work with, especially when enhancing your site's functionality. If you're not already logged in, just head to your Wix dashboard and select the website you're looking to edit. Once you're in the editor, our next move is to navigate to the Wix App Market. Think of this space as a treasure chest of tools that can significantly amplify what your website can do. Here, we're specifically searching for a form app to help us build our job application form. Two popular choices are Wix Forms and 123 Form Builder. Either will serve the purpose, so feel free to explore both and decide which one best suits your preferences and needs. After selecting the form app you like, it's time to create a new form tailored for job applications. Make sure your form includes essential fields such as the applicant's name and contact information, a section for resume upload, and space for a cover letter. These fields are crucial for gathering detailed applications and providing you with the pertinent information you need to make informed hiring decisions. Once your fields are set up, take a moment to customize the form's design and settings. This means tweaking the aesthetics to match your brand's vibe, colors, font styles, and general layout. A cohesive design strengthens your brand's image and encourages potential applicants to engage more willingly. Additionally, take advantage of adjusting settings like email notifications to ensure you receive an alert every time someone applies. Now, the fun part, adding your newly created form to the desired page on your site. Locate the page that you've dedicated for job applications or careers and easily embed the form. Wix makes this step incredibly smooth with its drag and drop functionality, ensuring that your form integrates seamlessly into the existing content on the page. As with any changes on your site, it's vital to save your progress. But don't just stop at saving. Go ahead and publish your site. This way, all the effort you've put into crafting the job application form becomes live and ready for your potential candidates to interact with. And there you have it. Your Wix site now features a tailored job application form, ready to streamline your hiring process. Thanks for watching, and happy recruiting!